this is just a quick overview of the new Wynn Tower Suites Salon Suite, and you'll notice it's much different than it was before. I'm just going to give you a very, very quick walkthrough. And once again, this is the Salon Suite. The new Wynn Tower Suites Salon Suite. One of my favorite hotels in Las Vegas, Wynn Tower Suites. And the bar area is much different than it was before because there's no longer a full bar, but it's really lovely. Just takes a little bit to get used to. But really a fantastic suite.